Welcome back to day 3 of the Art Impressions Watercolor Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for joining me along this journey. If this is your first time watching, look in the description box below and it will have links to the other 2 videos that I've done so far. Or you can go to my website and you can link to all the videos from there also. My website is nerdykrafter.com, and also that will be linked for you down below. So let's jump into day 3 of our Advent Calendar. Now this little pamphlet did come with this kit, with this Advent, and it does show me all the pictures in advance. I did take a sneak peek. I won't open it up, so I don't want to ruin it for you, but that helped me plan a little bit of what I was going to do each day, especially because I'm recording this and trying not to do very many edits on it because I need to get them out every day for you. So just speeding them up a little bit so you won't hear me talking throughout. I'm just going to let you listen to the sounds of the watercoloring behind the scenes so you can just follow along like that. But let's jump into day 3. And this one looks like a little holly berry to me. I think that's what it's called. I did not look it up, but just some little berries. So let's see what we can do with that. I showed you this yesterday, but this is how I'm storing my stamps for now. So I just take the backing off, and then I can stick it to this picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to line them up on here as I'm going. And that way I don't lose them. And when the month's over, then I will find a better storage mechanism for them. So yesterday I did a wreath, and today I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, not a wreath. I'm going to do an ornament. And this one I got inspiration from Pinterest. So this here is our inspiration piece from Jamie Kane Art. So that is what we're using for our inspiration piece for today. Oh, and this is what it looks like regular without the little 30-second video she has. So let's go ahead and get started. Find anything that's a circle. I just had a water bottle handy, so that's what I'm going to use. And here's day 3. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and check back tomorrow to see day 4. Have a great day. Happy holidays.